FoodTronix brings that classic restaurant look and feel with the ability to manage a robust operation affordable to a mom and pop operation. Placing an order is fairly simple for a server. You just touch your table, you touch the items that you're going to order, and it does all the work for you. See how it's building out the toppings on my pizza? It even gives me the abilities of thirds and quarters down here. Firing off the order, it does have the ability to give you beverage enforcement, so this way folks are required to bring in drinks and so forth, or order up drinks. And of course you'll have your time on table as well, so that way you can do easy oversight for the floor. The split and combine check, you just simply do a split on one of the orders and you go off and import the other order, and you can take items from one and bring them to the other and vice versa. Or if we're splitting something evenly, you can easily do that as well. FoodTronix is pretty diverse in what it can do. It can be positioned for any mix of type of restaurant. In this case, it's set up to be a bar station where you come up straight to a bar tab screen. You have the ability to open new tabs. You can do that with pre-authorized credit cards, or you can just enter the name of an individual and order whatever it is that they're going to have. And then you have the preview screen, which is something that makes FoodTronix a super powerful bar-friendly POS system. Being able to work through your tabs quickly and see which one contains what, and being able to repeat rounds without having to open the order is a significant strength. So if I was going to work with Fred here and I was going to order another Shiner, that's how hard that is. Super easy. Same thing with CJ here. If I'm going to do a round for a couple of people, that's not a problem. For restaurants operating with a quick service model, it's a very simple design in our system. You simply log in and you take control of your register. You can see on the bottom right of the screen, you have your different forms of payment, which are configurable. Additionally, you have your service types available to you, which can be augmented to include drive-through if you'd like as well. So I'm going to log in as a cashier here, and we're going to take a delivery order. First, I'm going to hit the delivery service type, enter the phone number. Now, if you have our caller ID integration, be it digital or analog phones, the phone number can automatically pop up for you. So I'm going to order an item, get myself a Hawaiian pizza, right? Give a form of payment indication. So now a cashier that has permission or a manager would be able to log in and actually dispatch the drivers. I'm going to select the little bicycle, and you can see my various deliveries that are outstanding. So assigning the drivers is easy. You just choose the person that you're going to assign the orders to. In my case, I'll do Carol, and then assign. If you want to do maps, we have Google Map integration. To cash a driver out, you just touch the cash out driver with the driver selected. You can see the delivery fees are applied in here, what's due to the restaurant, what's due to the employee, if you even do that. You can also see that if you gave the driver a loan down here on the bottom, you'll see the repayment portion of that calculated into his net due. FoodTronix has a very powerful feature where you're allowed to actually organize your menu. This is something that sets us apart from most of the current competition we have out there, as it's not just sorting the menu, it's actually organizing it. Very powerful if you've got some major players like sizes and things like that. For example here, if I want to take the Grey Goose off the menu, there it goes, I put it into holding mode. If I want to put the Corona down here, maybe my liquors over here, you have the ability to choose where they're going to be displayed, not just in what order they're going to be displayed. This is huge for muscle memory as well as the efficiency and usage of the screen. I can see common items grouped together in common areas versus having to scan an entire list to find out where they might be. From the management screen, you have the ability to control some of the other aspects of the restaurant as well and engage some of the other features. So you can show the KDS screen, which you can put in the kitchen to display orders. You have the ability to edit your orders, so that way you're able to choose and change things that have been done with given orders, like reopening them or voiding and so forth. Delivery management gives you the ability to assign and associate deliveries to various drivers. The no sale button gives you the ability to open the cash drawer. The today's sales report gives you how the sales are doing, as well as in this moment what your labor cost looks like. The help allows you to get help. The payout allows you to use payout accounts, so you can pull money out of the drawer, or if you're server banking and you allow servers to do payouts, that as well, petty cash. And of course your end of day, which gives you the ability to take a look at the floor, make sure that you are ready to close down for the day, and if not, what's holding that up, and then of course get it all closed out.